Y'all see by the title of today's video, man, I'm gonna be passenger princess in my own car.
Word. I'm driving, nigga.
Hold on. You gotta come from the front though, like. Y'all see how beautiful this thing is? Y'all see this motor? Right, we hoodless today, bitch. We some hoodless. I don't even know what to call myself, man, but I'm gonna let Cameraman cut up a little bit. Y'all gonna get my reactions. I'm gonna act like a little girl because it's my car, bitch. I treat like a baby, bitch. So I might be a little scared, you feel me? I might be telling niggas slow down a little bit, but it's all good. I need y'all boys to make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll get straight into this video. Today, you can't even talk.
Y'all niggas know what time it is, man.
Huh? You said what, chop?
700 right here. Stop playing. Crazy.
Let me put my seatbelt on, bitch.
This nigga is scared already. Take your phone flying. Or you never been passenger seat?
Get tall.
What that nigga doing, bro? Come on. We on 7 miles on this? I wanna go crazy.
You see the bobs? Big chillin', man.
Get a flame tune, it's over, bro. I'm telling you. It's over. Come on, nigga.
Bobbing.
Did he just floor it? What's up, bro? But that's why I say I need my radar, nigga. I'm gonna go stupid.
Bro, if the police get behind you, just pull over, though. We ain't doing no high speeds, bro. You gotta take that ticket, bro. I'm tired of doing Alright.
I'll show you who a real driver is, Maury. Come on now. We're the big cat. I'll drive a cat better than most niggas. Word two.
Word two?
I never driven a cat too, by the way.
Word two? Oh shit. Come on, man. Word two?
Word two, nigga.
Word two? Okay, bitch.
Pat.
Okay.
Woo! You hear that? Come on, man.
I ain't gonna lie, you can't resist. You can't resist that. My tint's so dark, bitch, I get scared, bitch.
You said what?
Your ass already can't see, bitch.
Nigga said I'm legally blind.
Take your glasses off real quick.
Hell no. Nah.
Let me see you drive without your glasses.
Hell no. Nah. Hell no. You wanna die? You wanna die?
Nah, I'm trying to live.
Pat. Stop playing with me.
That. Oh, no. We had a light.
I know my limits, nigga.
Yo, word too, y'all New York niggas cannot drive. Your word too. I like my Tampa niggas over y'all niggas.
You said who can't drive?
Your word to my mother. Y'all niggas cannot drive.
I bet.
Tampa come to New York and terrorize y'all boys.
Y'all niggas is not cutting up,
We
bro.
will terrorize y'all. Don't label them as me.
Label them as
Don't label them as me. Yeah. Don't label them as me. Yeah.
I never want to hear a female complain, bro. That's all I want to hear, bro. That's all I want to hear, bro.
They ain't trying to feel like, what the fuck is this nigga doing, man?
Ooh, nigga. Big cat.
Now that's the little one.
Ah, you little it. That was you. I ain't say nothing. Ooh, nigga, come on.
Oh, you thought that was the police, little scary ass.
No. This nigga wanna get behind me. This nigga's flashing me. I think he wants on video.
Who?
The nigga behind me, he's flashing me.
You ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing. He ain't got that radar. He's scared, man. You ain't talking about nothing.
Hey,
You ain't talking about nothing.
listen, you said don't run.
I told you them New York niggas cannot drive, man.
This is different.
I would have already been
Knowing how to drive and running from 12. You said I can't run from 12. I run from 12. Can I run from 12 in your cat? I'll do it. I'll be out.
Hey, listen, guys, do not elude the police. Even if you know your car faster than them, do not elude the police.
We in Mexico, for real. But them niggas are not catching us.
You from New York, man. Word to my mother, man. You cannot drive.
Yeah,
They gonna catch you, bitch. Them New York niggas, it's something about y'all boys. Y'all can't drive, bitch. Okay. Okay. My hat falling off and shit. Get my shit right, man.
we got 2 miles.
Too much at once, bitch. New York niggas can't drive.
Alright, nigga. You said what?
New York niggas can't
You said
drive.
New York niggas can drive?
Word to my mother. Word to my mother.
You said New York what? Alright,
nigga. Word to my mother, New York niggas cannot drive, bitch. Even from New York.
Ooh. Nigga, you see my license plate?
He got them bifocals on, bitch. He can barely see. Got them scientific goggles on, bitch. I don't trust New York niggas that wear glasses and say they can cut up. That's just me though. At least have contacts, man.
Alright, say no more.
Oh shit! Oh my god, boy, this is a perfect road to hit 200, bitch. If that bitch was straight away, nah, he couldn't hit 200, not with me, bitch. Hell no, bitch.
You said you want to hit 200?
No.
Let's go on the highway right now.
No 200. No
Let's go on the highway. I like 200.
I like my life. I like my life. like the way it sounds? Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, word to my mother, bitch. If any of your New York hoes get in here, you know what's gonna happen? You know what's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
Shit.
Huh?
Word to my mother, you New York niggas can't drive.
Oh yeah, we gonna pull up on them, man.
Everybody not there, they're not there.
I saw a couple niggas there.
No, they're not there. Boys in there. I don't know them boys. That one sounds crazy. You like a little kid in a candy store right now, bitch.
Yeah, I am, nigga. Hell yeah.
How I feel to have 200 on the dash?
Hit it. Huh?
How I feel to have 200 on the dash?
I'm trying to utilize it. Just hop on the highway. You probably never even hit 200. Watch this.
You hear that bitch scream? Oh shit, I'm gonna drop the camera, bitch. Ain't talking about nothing. Y'all busted Yui right here. I told you them New York niggas cannot drive.
Bro, he got traction.
I told you. I told you.
Hold on, let me turn it off.
I told you. Word to my mother, boy. These New York niggas cannot drive, bitch.
This nigga got traction control on, man.
Bro, you didn't even, bro, I could just hear the gears, but you not even, like, you gotta play with that bit, like, you gotta, you feel me?
I bet, say no more, say no more, say no more.
Yeah, I see you looking over here.
What's up?
Yeah, I see you looking over here. Yeah.
You know to come out and eat that good chicken?
Yeah, I see you looking over here.
Hey.
Yeah, you want some of this business?
You gonna need some time.
You want some of this? You want some of this business?
I ain't got it with me.
Yeah, go get that black cat. Go get that black shit.
You know what time it is.
Go get that black shit.
Make you my son out here.
Go get that black shit.
I make you my son out
Go get that black shit.
Alright, now.
I'ma turn that motherfucker into dust.
I might get you in this.
Angel dust. Go get that. Go get that black shit.
I make you my son out here.
Go get that black shit, boy.
I don't think that far.
Go get that black shit, boy.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, alright. I'll be
tomorrow.
running this bit tomorrow.
Before you vlog.
It better be parked right there.
Hey, put on YouTube. Hey.
It better be parked.
Hey, tell us where to go at. They're one of the best wings in the city, baby boy.
Hey, these is the best wings in the city.
Yes, sir.
Look at him. He been eating them his whole life. Look at his ass.
I'm gonna catch you tomorrow.
Go get that motherfucker. I'm ready for it.
He hollering good. He ain't ready for that black thing. He ain't ready for that black thing.
And here he go.
I make people.
And here he go. What you gonna drive it? You gonna drive it?
I got kids out here like that. I do kids like that. Junior, my son. I got like 3 sons out here, man.
Hey, go get that black.
I don't want to make you 4.
Go get that black piece of shit.
Cat out tomorrow, man.
Go get that black piece of shit.
Huh?
And you know what I'm on.
Alright.
You know what I'm on.
Say no more.
I talk that shit because I'm on that. I'm on that. I ain't JR in them. I'm on that.
Say no more.
I'm on that.
Say no more.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
We gonna remember this. Hold on.
You see what time I'm on. Yeah.
Hey, y'all homeboy been hollering with this piece of shit, man. Tell this man I made him.
You see how sexy this bill look? Listen to it. You hear it?
I got kids out here, man.
Listen to it.
Hey, keep it up now.
That's my baby boy.
Keep it up now.
That's my baby boy.
When I get done with that bitch, you gonna need some lemonade. We gonna put lemonade on your shit.
Hey,
done that motherfucker.
Pull up in your shit tomorrow, and I'm spinning the block.
Say no more.
I'm spinning the block.
Go get some tires though before you come try me now. I don't want to hear you ain't sticking.
Your shit don't. I don't need tires for your shit.
What?
I don't need tires for your shit.
Hey, you must not seen these videos, boy.
I don't need tires for your shit.
Show you something?
Nah.
You must not seen these videos, boy.
Nah, I like to see. I like for you to see the ass of this bitch.
Nah, that ain't gonna never happen.
That's what you gonna be seeing.
That might happen, I run out of gas.
Huh?
Only reason that might happen, I run out of gas.
Now you gonna see the ass of this bitch.
I don't plan on doing that.
You don't? There's only one way to find out. Go pull that black lemonade out the garage.
Hey,
And come see about it.
You holler real
To it. Yeah.
Hey, come on now, if you bust your head gassing now, you better race more now. Cool it down now. Cool it down for you very hot.
Go get your...
Right. Somebody calling you out right now. Hello, G. Somebody over there.
Go get your shit.
Man, I might try you in that Buick down there, man. Stop playing.
Go get your shit.
You see that Buick down there?
Go get your shit.
I might try you in the Buick.
Go get your shit. Go get your shit. And when
one of y'all niggas got a cat, please pull up, bust a nigga right quick for me, dog. Who got a cat that's around, man?
Hey, read that bit for me real quick. You hear it? Hold on, a couple more times, bitch. One more time. Let me get up out of here, bitch, cause you ain't got that black lemonade I'm looking for.
Man, you know what the fuck going on.
And I turn this bit into toasted strudels for real, bitch. Oh, shit. He done scared me, bitch.
Mine's get missing on the route.
Now we can't do no spinning right now.
Nah, no.
Hey, Fats.
You need to get your driver. You need to get your new driver, man.
Hey, Fats.
You don't know what he's doing.
Hey, Fats. When I see you tomorrow, just make sure your shit right there.
I don't even want to wake Black Mama up, man.
Whenever
Black Mama rested.
Tomorrow, I need to see your shit right there.
I might try you in that.
Come on, man.
Try you in that.
Come on, man.
I don't want to see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Fucking lemon bite.
Saturday, you gotta go crazy. Let these niggas know what's up. Look at that wide body right there.
Gotta make a left from here.
Barely can see that nigga, look.
Bro, I can't even see him right now. One of the only casino around this motherfucker, you feel me? Temple Whack, bitch. They only got one casino. This bitch nice as hell, though, bitch. This bitch humongous, bitch. Hey, but if y'all ever see me in traffic, bitch, I'm on that. Don't ever try me, bitch. Don't ever try me, bitch. I'm on that. I don't know about these New York niggas, bitch. Don't attach these niggas to my name, bitch.
Hey, wait till Saturday.
I'm on that, though.
Wait till Saturday, man.
Don't play with me in traffic, bitch. It's gonna get like that, bitch.
Hey, we had to feel it. We had to feel the cat out, bro. We ain't never been in the cat. You know what I'm saying? Most niggas there will ball up. Balling up, not me.
Back
Bro, niggas was going crazy in the cat. No cat. I ain't gonna lie.
That nigga think he was going crazy.
Bro, first time driving the cat, come on. Be honest. I didn't ball up, right? I didn't ball up.
If y'all like the video, make sure that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure the notification bell is hit too. And what you gotta say?
Hey man, regardless of all that, I appreciate my man's letting me drive the cat.
We had a good time. We had a good time, man.
It was fun though. It was fun. It was fun. No cap. Tonight was lit. Tonight was lit, man. Y'all stay tuned for real. Like he said, like, comment, subscribe, all that. We got crazy content coming out. I got a bunch of vlogs to edit, so just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Mari Blends, ArtsOfBigT, all that. You know what I'm saying? So.
And we out.
We out. Peace.